Hi, my name is Lily. Let me share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. This month, we updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including Jettison and Apache Tomcat. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. Following the update of Bouncy Castle FJA to version 1014, the list of TLS cipher suits that SecureTransport supports in FIPS mode has been extended. The full list of supported TLS cipher suits and the TLS version is available in our security guide. As part of the initiative to modernize the SecureTransport user interface, the server control page has been redesigned with a cleaner and more intuitive layout, which helps administrators monitor and manage all SecureTransport services and servers. Let's take a look at the new server control interface. A new top-level Actions menu enables you to quickly start and stop all services, as well as to perform a graceful shutdown of the SecureTransport server or edge node. The dedicated tiles, for example, for the Transaction Manager server, display the status and allow you to start, stop, or gracefully shut down the service. Click on the plus server button to add a new protocol server by selecting it from the drop-down list. You can also click on the menu next to a protocol service and click Add Server. You can quickly start or stop the daemon from here. The contextual menu next to a protocol server allows you to start or stop it, and to open its settings. This release adds the ability to continue route execution when a pull from partner step in a route fails, either because of a pull failure or because there is no file to pull. This is achieved by sending a custom trigger file that you define as part of the step to the Advanced Routing Sandbox folder. This new functionality also enables SecureTransport to send notifications to external messaging systems upon transfer failure. When Send Trigger File on Failure is enabled, a designated trigger file is sent to the Advanced Routing Sandbox folder upon pull failure, or when no files are returned by the remote partner. For example, with a wildcard pull. This file is intended to trigger further advanced routing processes and serves as input for subsequent steps. It will be deleted from the sandbox folder once route execution is completed. This functionality is disabled by default. Check out our administrator guide for details on how to enable it. Thanks for watching! Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.